Here we go again, man. What's good, you two, man? It's your boy Young Dub, man. It's been a good weekend. Um, this is something that I tried to hide on, I believe it was Friday night, when I uploaded my JP8 blue amplifier. I did an unboxing video on that there, man. I said, hey, let me pull this thing out. Y'all might be able to see what I got in there. I haven't really even looked at the video, man, so I don't know if y'all got a sneak peek or not. Last night I did do an unboxing video of my American Bass XFL 10. So now, to wrap up the weekend, we're going to go ahead and get to it, man. This is the reveal for 2021. Y'all know what I've been saying, man. My 2021 build got to be going crazy, but it's got to be budget, man. So I just want to come down with something nice, nice bass, you know, decent mids and highs. Go from there, man. So like I said in other videos, when you try to hide stuff, it's kind of pointless when you put that stuff in the title, man. So let me go ahead and open this up and move these stickers out the way. And not even gonna say nothing because you can see exactly what it is right over there, man. So let me get all this paper and stuff out of here. And some shirts, because you know, if you order some stuff from JP, okay, this is nice. Let me get this open, man. Yeah, that's not on camera. I'll try to move this over here because this is super nice. Team Down for Sound, camouflage look, man. So I'm happy to have that. Like I said, you know, when you order something from him, you get some free shirts. If I guess it depends on how much of a order you put in or whatever, man. So we got another shirt from him because I obviously ordered the Down for Sound JP8 amp, and then this Sundown here. So we got the certified bass head shirt, man. So that's what's up, man. These are some nice shirts. Definitely be wearing these once it gets warm out of here, man. But yeah, I can't. Maybe this is red. I can't remember what color I selected for the voltmeters. Cause like I said, man, I got one of the voltmeters was for the JP8. The other one was thrown in with this amp here, man. So yes, y'all see it. Sundown SFB, man. Last year I had ordered two of the Sundown SFB 1000s. Had those laying around for, I think, how many? I don't remember. I think I had 4 10s, Crescendo PWX 10s. I never got around to using them, so ended up selling them. And well, okay, I did use one just for like a 2-minute testing, just to see what the amp sounded like, stuff like that, man. So she was good to go. So that made me go ahead and get down with this here, with this SFB 8K. So like I said, last year, hold on, let me get this up out of here. Maybe move this over to the side because there's something else in that box. But last year, I had ran the Wolfram 7500. As I keep saying, it's now branded as the Wolfram 9K. But yeah, last year I did run the 7500. I had 2 Resilient Sounds, Platinum 18s. Now what you see behind that box right there is an American Bass XFL 10. So then I lied to y'all. I said this year I'll be doing a couple of 10s. I always have people, like I said, riding down the street, anywhere, you know, just to pass in, maybe a gas station, something like that. If I decided to, you know, to run around with the music on, it's always, hey man, what you got in there? I always respond, hey, just 2 10s. And they're always like, man, stop bull jiving. You know you got more than that in there. So my theory this year is to go ahead and run 10. So then when I say, hey, I just got a couple of 10s, it's actually going to be a couple. Not in a couple of the sense of 2. There's going to be 4. So in order for this little monster here, hopefully him and a couple of his buddies can team up together and handle this SFB 8K, man. So Let me get this joker open. I'll scoot this up a little bit. The box been through a little bit. The front of the box here has been through a little bit of a trauma, it looks like. But yeah, more of the same. So, like I said, if you've been following the channel, last year I had 2 SFB 1Ks. So, like I said, more of the same as far as the stuff that it comes with. Here we go with the Sundown. Well, I don't know why they put it like that, but the Sundown audio bass knob. To me, it should be the other way around because the knob is right here. So why wouldn't you flip that and have the Sundown going that way? And then obviously you got your, well, I'll take it off the plastic. Keep it all the way 100. I don't plan on using this. I mean, I guess there could be an occurrence where I do. I mean, she scratched up pretty good for her to be brand new. Hopefully y'all can see them little scratches on there, man. I mean, I won't trip about it because, like I said, more than likely won't use it. But yeah, so she has your power clip on there. Yeah, that kind of sucks, man. I'm not too happy about that. Like, that bass knob's been through hell. But I mean, maybe at the end of the day, maybe they're probably like, hell, whoever orders this in, maybe they're not going to use it. So, and when it comes down to me, they're definitely correct. So there's your bass knob cable, phone cord connection, which we all do like because we hate that 3.5 millimeter because that's pure crap. But let's go ahead and get this amp out of here. Move that out the way. All right, so you got your Allen keys mounting hardware. One thing I'm not getting on this one that I'm going to be uber pissed off about is the Sundown audio decal, man. I'm supposed to get that. As far as I know, last year I know Sundown Unofficial Derek said, you know, anytime you were ordering this, you were definitely getting that decal included with the amp, man. But no harm, no foul on that, man. I might hit up Down for Sound, or I might even hit Sundown up like, yo, I didn't get the decal with my amp. Kind of want 2 of those, so. But yeah, this is what it's all about. So can y'all believe that's 8,000 watts right there? Can y'all believe that's actually over 8,000 watts? If you tuned in to Sundown Unofficial, y'all know they did the dyno on this thing. She did 6149 at 2 ohms. She did, I believe, 8100 at 1.33. And she did 8500 at 1 ohm, certified. So these are all your certified numbers. So I'm figuring if I do 4 of those 10s, XFLs, rated at 1500 watts RMS, obviously that would equate to 6K. If I have a lot of box rides and stuff like that, well, impedance rides, I guess I should say, we get towards 6K or whatever the hell we're looking at, they should be able to handle that amp any given day, man. So there it is. This is my 2021 build, man. So obviously we're going to have 4 of the XFL 10s to take on this big beast of an amp. I guess I maybe should say little beast of an amp because it's 8,000 watts and it's just as compact as it wants to be for 8,000 watts, man. So I'll try to show y'all the sides. I mean, I got some lotion on, so it's kind of picking up, but you see your dual inputs for your power and your ground. Don't want to mess around with that warranty sticker. And you see your nice Tiffany style RCAs, full range as far as the crossover high and low, gain in your level, and the 8-gauge speaker inputs with your power clip and protection lights, man. So, and the way they did these, you got it where you can mount it any which way you want to, man. So Sundown on the top, Sundown on the bottom, man. So yes, there it is. Sundown SFB 8K. One hell of a weekend as far as having stuff coming in. And hey, man, I'm not gonna lie. At the end of the day, we got them stimulus checks coming in, man. So we got that stuff approved, man. Might see if I can get some more stuff coming in here, man. Don't doubt that one bit that I will. But since I was on Down for Sound, screwing around, the box is gonna fall, don't care. Okay, good to go. There's some of his wire, man. So I was gonna make a separate video on this, but I figured, you know what the hell, why would I do a separate video just on some wire? But there it is. They're Down for Sound 100% OFC Super Flex. Looks like the camera is getting that on there, man. So this is his clear wire. So once again, to refer to last year, 2 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s. Wolfram 7500 watt amp, white and black truck. So my build was supposed to be white and black, as you'll see. This is some 4-aught cable welding wire that I had, was going to go in the white and black build. Never finished it. So shout out to my man Julius Washington. We've been talking as far as going slow with your build. I know he just got some Rockford Fosgate stuff going in his Dodge truck. So my deal this year, and the reason why I ordered this wire is because, I mean, it's supposed to be clearer, but I don't know, the jacket is white enough for me. So this year, you haven't seen the car yet. I've been meaning to do a video on that one. I don't know if I'm going to go red and black. Don't really want to go red because that's kind of old school. Everybody does red and black, man. I'm honestly thinking JP dropped like some hot pink wire for Down for Sound, Super Flex wire. So kind of looking at that, man. Y'all know me, my mind will go nuts as far as going on the internet looking at stuff, and then I'm like, okay, I'll go this route, and then the next week I'll switch and say, oh, screw it, I'm going this way, and stuff like that, man. So stay tuned, man. Like I said, I literally enjoy burning up gigs on the internet, going through all of this stuff and looking at it saying, okay, man, maybe I'll do this, maybe I'll do that, or you know, I don't know too much about XYZ, so let me holler at somebody that does have it, or maybe somebody that knows a friend that ran that equipment, and I'll reach out to that person and just say, hey, you know, I'm just doing some research. Can you help me out? And I'll go from there, man. So got this wire in, so I'll definitely take a look at it, compare it to this stuff here, some welding cable that I just had laying around, man. So we'll go from there, man. So yes, been a good weekend. One hell of an unboxing. Like I said, the JP8, got that in. Don't even know what I'm gonna do with that. Got this SFB 8K, got the American Base XFL 10, and then this wire here, man. So like I said, stemless is coming up, but I still feel like it's time for a giveaway. So stay tuned for that, man. I got more stuff coming in, obviously, and we'll try to do a giveaway, man. I'm trying to collab with somebody. Been reaching out to this individual, so if they come through, we'll try to collab on a video. More than likely do a giveaway for that video, and go from there, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. 2021, we getting it going, man. Y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up. And yes, I had to go ahead and put it on the table. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here. Have a good rest of your weekend. Happy Monday to those that are returning to work in the morning. I'm out of here.